In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide apps on Samsung, Xiaomi, Oppo, and other Android phones without installing any extra app. We'll walk through the general idea first. Then I'll explain how this usually works on the most common Android brands, so you can follow along on your own phone. Keep your device in your hand and pause the video whenever you need a moment. On most Android phones, the option to hide apps is built right into the home screen or launcher settings. You don't need to download anything from the store. The first thing you want to do is go to your home screen, then open your home screen settings. The exact way to get there can vary slightly. On many phones, you simply tap and hold on an empty area of the home screen until a menu appears. Then select Home Screen Settings or something similar. On others, you might need to open the Settings app. Then look for Home Screen, Display, or Apps. Once you're inside the home screen settings, look carefully for an option related to hiding apps. The wording might be Hide Apps, Hidden Apps, or even something like Home Screen and Lock Screen settings with a section for hiding items. Take your time scrolling. It's often not right at the top. On Samsung phones, there is usually a clear Hide Apps option in the home screen settings. When you tap it, you'll see a list of all your installed apps. Simply tap on the apps you want to hide so they're selected. On Xiaomi and Oppo phones, you may find this under an Apps or Privacy section, or inside a feature called App Lock or Hidden Apps. Again, the idea is the same. You open the hiding feature, select the apps you want to keep out of sight, and confirm. After selecting the apps you want to hide, look for an Apply, Done, or Save button at the bottom or top of the screen, and tap it. Your chosen apps should now disappear from the app drawer and home screen. They're still installed and will continue to work. They're just not visible in the normal list of apps. If you ever need to bring an app back, return to the same Hide Apps or Hidden Apps section. Deselect the app and confirm. It will reappear exactly like any other app. Take a minute to test it. Hide one app, go back to your home screen and app drawer, and check that it's gone. Then unhide it to be sure you know how to reverse the process.